including Principal George McCracken, seen here in the red shirt.
They feel it's like big-time drug dealers and we're ready to crack out those something.
107 students were caught up in the raid, among them Justin, Laquan, Danielle, Kayla, and Maurice. So how many of you had a gun pointed at or near you?
I shoot straight through the barrel and down.
Look, Tyko, look!
In the first chaotic moments of the raid, police threw some kids to the ground and restrained others in plastic handcuffs.
My mom thinks it was thinking that I'm safe and I'm thinking that I'm safe. The last thing going through her mind is my daughter sitting and they home with a gun from their head.
Western High School is in Goose Creek, a middle-class suburb of Charleston. It's considered one of the best high schools in South Carolina. Students do well on state tests. Parents study 15 notice practice. But Principal McCracken feared it was becoming known for drugs. We had 15 drug arrests in the first 3 months of the school year, compared with 16 all of last year. So, acting on a tip from the students, McCracken called the police. Together, they monitored several days of videotape. Convinced they were seeing drugs being sold in the main hallway before school, they planned the raid. For 40 minutes, police led a drug-sniffing dog up and down the hallway, checking book bags.
He was barking like crazy. He wouldn't even respond to me.
You okay, Tyko? Silly guy. You are just overexcited, aren't you? You silly boy. Love you, baby.